Okay, cool. What I need you to do is just introduce yourself by saying your first name, your last name, what company you're from, and tell me a little bit about your company.
How's everybody doing today? I'm here at the Blockchain Economic Forum here in San Francisco. My name is Reginald Ringgold. I'm the founder of BlockVest Decentralized Exchange and Index Fund, the first regulated licensed index fund and exchange based out of the United States. And great news, we just got our Reg A approval from the SEC. So happy to be here in lovely San Francisco and able to network with all of the different projects and developers that are here at this summit.
Tell me about the problems that your company is solving.
Well, one of the biggest problems that we're solving is decentralization. If you guys have noticed right now in the current market, we're seeing that a lot of the exchanges, they've got challenges that they've been facing due to centralization issues. We recently seen last year, Bitfinex and Tether, they had issues with their current exchange as well as their coin due to centralization issues. Unethical practices, are rampant in the current financial markets, and when you bring centralization to a market that has principles based on decentralization, you'll get some of the things that kind of led us to the 2008 crisis all over again. So our platform is a decentralized hybrid model. Obviously, coming in with our crowdfunding, there is some form of centralization, but as we have the demand come in from the user base and they buy the tokens, it becomes more decentralized, similar to the Ethereum crowd sale when Ethereum came out with their token.
Tell me about your team and technology.
Our team is, some of the best and brightest minds. We've recently brought on Jack Jabin Simon, who is a banking and securities lawyer. We've also done a partnership with Ditrex and Shopper Coins. So we've got some of the brightest minds in this space creating blockchain technology that will implement client-side encryption as well as cold wallets. So it'll be decentralizing the platform, but allowing the investor to keep their assets in their possession while still having the benefits of trading on our platform. So it eliminates third-party risk.
When is your token available for sale?
So right now we're currently in our expression of interest phase, our whitelist, which is our private sale, taking on exclusive investors. Since we got our Reg A, we're able to take on investors from pretty much anywhere of any amount. They don't have to be accredited. Our pre-ICO starts next month, July 1st, and then our global token generation event will be, I believe, mid-August.
What do you think about and what do you like about the Blockchain Economic Forum?
I love the fact that we're starting to address regulation. I believe that regulation is going to be very, very important for this space to be cleaned up and to have the investors feel comfortable coming back into the space. So I'm going to be speaking on the blockchain economy and self-regulatory panel. And in this panel, we're speaking on how self-regulatory can really help this space. One thing that made blockchain what it is non-government and decentralized. And we understand having SEC, NFA, and CFTC come in and help to regulate the developers that are coming out with these platforms will create a sense of ease for the investor coming into the space that's relatively new.
Wonderful. Thank you very much.